The shake sheet is most effective in determining tarnished plant bug populations during the reproductive stages of cotton plant development. And this is because the sweep net, which we use during the pre-flowering stages, only samples a very small amount of the plant profile. Using the shake sheet and vigorously shaking the entire plant gives us a better estimate of the distribution of these insects within the entire plant. So on taller plants, when they're flowering, this technique works considerably better. Now, I'll be the first to admit that we tend to lose some of the adult insects because they fly off during the sampling process, but it is very effective in recording all stages of nymphs, which are very difficult to collect in a sweep net and also on a shake sheet that may have a white background. These particular cotton plants have been fruiting for several weeks. We can see the flowers moving toward the top of the plant. It will continue to flower for another 2 to 3 weeks, and it gives us an indication of plants that are in a very sensitive stage to tarnished plant bug feeding. Now, this particular insect is basically a season-long pest, and it's very important to maintain a fruit load until we get to cutout. And cutout is defined by the uppermost white flower of a main stem, on a main stem, being within 5 nodes of the terminal growth area, terminal growth region. There are all stages of reproductive structures on these plants, from very small squares to pretty good sized bowls at the bottom of the plant. Now, the tarnished plant bug really prefers to feed on smaller fruiting forms because they're easier to puncture. However, it will feed on older bowls in the absence of preferred feeding sites.